Hi, my name is Alex Schultz. I'm a product specialist here at Vista BMW, and today I'm going to show you how to use the launch control on a 2018 M5. So in order to start the launch procedure on your M5, what you're first going to do is start the vehicle and let it run for 10 minutes or drive it around for about 15 minutes, and you're going to wait until the vehicle is up to temperature on the tachometer. Once it's up to temperature, what you're going to do is you're going to enable either M1 or M2 mode, depending on what you're comfortable with. In this case, I'm going to operate M2. We're going to confirm that. Once it's in the M dynamic mode, what you're going to do is you're going to press and hold the traction control off button located here on your center console. You're going to press and hold that, and you're going to continue holding it until you see DSC off located in the center of your cluster. Once DSC is off, at that point what you are going to do is adjust the shift aggressiveness to be all the way to the max, and you're going to make sure it is in manual mode, which you will see with a number 1 located in the center of the console. From there, you're going to press your foot on the brake and you will press your foot on the gas. You will then see launch control activated up here on the lower part of the screen, and you can adjust where the vehicle is going to hold the revs at using the cruise control functions located here on the left side of the steering wheel. Once you're at a stable RPM and you're happy with where you are, you're going to let your foot off the brake and you're going to put your foot all the way down on the floor with the gas, and you're going to launch the vehicle successfully.